Justin, a fresh fault line in Karnataka's Congress unit. A Karnataka minister has slammed the party colleague. Also drawn a sharp rebuttal from Priyank Kharge, who insists that the Congress is bigger than any one individual. We've got a crucial reaction lined up for you. Listen in.
ಅವರು ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಾಸ್ ಪುಲ್ಲರ್. ಅವರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಸೂಯೆಗೆ ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅವರು ಮಾಸ್ ಪುಲ್ಲರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮತಗಳು ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಒಪ್ಪೋದು ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಅವ್ರವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ.
ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಂಥ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಬೇಕು, ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಬೇಕು, ಅವರ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದ ತತ್ವ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೆದ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಅನುಭವಿಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾರೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅದು. ಈಗ 140 ವರ್ಷ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವೇನ್ರಿ? 140 ವರ್ಷ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇದೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಪಕ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್.
Deepak Bopanna tracking all that's unfolding behind the scenes for us. He joins us live at the moment. Deepak, is this just internal debate or signs of deeper fissures within the Karnataka Congress, considering all the upheaval we witnessed over the past few weeks as far as the throne is concerned?
Well, as far as Mr. K.N. Rajanna, is concerned, he is somebody who has made comments in the past that have drawn criticism from within the party. In fact, the AICC itself has, taken offense to some of the statements that he has made, especially his comments about the vote chori campaign. And then we eventually saw him even being removed from the ministry. And it seems like now Mr. Priyank Kharge, of course, is not very happy with the kind of comments that he has made. He is, of course, a very close confidant of Siddaramaiah. He's always spoken highly about, his leadership, and now he says in his personal opinion that the Congress cannot win without Siddaramaiah, and Siddaramaiah is needed for the Congress party in the state of Karnataka. To which Mr. Priyank Kharge, of course, without naming Rajanna, he says that Congress party is not about one individual, it's not for one individual or by one individual. He says that it has a legacy of 150 years, it has produced leaders over the years, and it will continue to do so, is what he has gone on to say. And even further going on to say that any leader needs the Congress party when they need a B form. They need the Congress party for elections, its principles, its ideals, but then later, after they enjoy power, to make such comments is unwarranted, is the statement that has coming in. Definitely, it opens up another controversy here. We really have to see how other cabinet colleagues really react to this.